Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Lady Musgrave Road. Now this road is going to be renovated under the CapEx road program. It's going to become 4 lanes and it's going to become a dual carriageway. It's going to look similar to Constant Spring Road or Barbican Road. Now the government is going to be spending billions to upgrade this road. And as a result of the road being upgraded, this corridor Lady Musgrave Road is the fastest growing business corridor in Kingston. We just passed the Proven building on the right. Now, so many developments are taking place on this road. You have two commercial centers, you have a medical complex, you have two hotels, one built already and another one on the way. And one of the main reasons for all these developments is that the road is going to be upgraded. Now, coming up on the left, that is the Ripton Commercial Complex. It's actually the first of two commercial complex developments that Ripton is building. That one is finished and they spent 15.5 million US on it. To the right, we just passed, they cleared that lot and they're going to build something else there. I'm not sure what. Okay, now straight ahead, that tall building to the right is where they're building the largest medical complex. Now, coming up on the right is where Barita Investment is going to be building a new hotel. The location that we just passed is where the Eden Gardens Hotel was. Now on the left is the ACU Hotel, and on the right you had the medical complex, and then beside the medical complex, Ripton Construction is building a second commercial complex. Now straight ahead, that is Trafalgar 1, a commercial complex that recently finished. I'm not sure if it's fully occupied, but it's finished. Now coming up on the right, though the sun is causing a problem, that is where Ripton Construction is going to be building 171 apartment units. So this is the Lady Musgrave Road is the fastest growing commercial area in Jamaica, and it's just on the outskirts of New Kingston. And all of this is because the government is renovating the road, the major thoroughfare, Lady Musgrave Road, to become a 4 lane dual carriageway. They have a few other developments along the road. You have 23 LMR, which is a commercial complex, a commercial building. It's finished. And then further down, where you have the Spartan Gym, that location has been purchased, and they plan to do a development there, although they haven't started yet. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below.